Hello everybody, Darsh here. Today we are going to discuss about data types and variables. So let us consider variables first in our lecture. So basically, variables are just like containers in your kitchen in which you store flour, rice, etc. Similarly, in Python, you can store various data types and data, just like we store food in our jars. So let us move on to our computer and do the practical of variables and data types. So now we are on our computer and let us see the examples of variables. That what are variables? So first I recommend you to change this option in current file, so you can work on your terminal. So basically we can give any name to our variable, but any numerical digit should not come in the starting of a variable's name. We can give a variable name a is equal to 2. We can give the variable name Darsh is equal to 4. We can give it name uh, we can give it name as quantum code is equal to string. So do not worry about what are the values after is equal to, because they are data types and we will cover them further. So let me summarize the following for you. So you can variable is a container in which you can store uh, any of the data and data types. So now let us cover the data types. Data specifies the type of value a variable holds. This is required in programming to do various operations without causing any error. So in simple language, we can store any of the data type in any variable and also change its value. In Python, we can print type of operators using type of functions. So there are basically four types of data types: numerical data, which consists integer, float means decimal integers, and complex digits, and text data, which are also called as strings, boolean, and tuples and list. Tuples and list we will learn in next video because it is totally another topic. So let us discuss about three data types. So numerical data is the integer like 1 2 3. Float are the decimal numbers, and complex numbers are used in complex algorithms. In text data, we can type any of the sentences and word which are called as strings. You can notice one thing in strings, that we have to place the word in double quotations. Boolean only has two values, true or false, so it specifies whether the variable or the function is true or false. So let us move on to our computer and see some examples. So now we are in our computer screen. So let us discuss first numerical data. So first of all, let us make a variable named numeric numerical numerical data is equal to 4. So let us run our code. So basically we have to print numerical data. So here we can see that 4 is printed on our terminal. So let us make another uh, variable named string string is equal to, let us write quantum quantum code. So let us print string string instead of numerical data. So here we can see that quantum code is printed on a terminal. So so we can see that we can type anything in the value, uh, like Darsh, Darsh, and run it again. So we can see that Darsh is printed again. So basically float is the are the decimal integer. So let us try that also. So let us delete it and write 4.5. Run it. That's an error. So here's an error because we have assigned string as the variable. So let us assign numerical data as, let us run it again. So here we can see that 4.5 is assigned again. So let us also check out boolean data. So let us give it boolean data is equal to true. Let us run it. Let us print it as boolean in the print. Let us run it again. Let us run it again once. Let us give a string true. So here it is true because the boolean data has some value, or it is stored with some value. So it will tell us true, and if it is not, then it will give us false. So it is all for this video. Hope you enjoyed and learned something new in this video about Python programming. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.